Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to set your Wi-Fi network as a metered connection on Windows 10. This can help you reduce data usage if you have a limited data plan. This can also be useful if you have slow internet connections and you want to stop downloading Windows updates while working. To do this, in the search box type Change Wi-Fi Settings and click on it. Now click on Manage Known Networks. Select your Wi-Fi network. Then click Properties. Under Metered Connection, turn on the button Set as Metered Connection. This will help reduce data usage and Windows will stop downloading updates using your network connection. A simple way to set your Wi-Fi network as a metered connection on Windows 10. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and tricks for Windows 10. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.